Right, so a new trap trigger, what I'd like to say that I invented myself. Well, I kind of did, but you know, traps have been around for thousands and thousands of years, so the chance that someone else has already thought of this, you know, is pretty high. But I thought of this and I made it, and I'll tell you how I thought of it. So I was looking for a book and I was looking at a trigger for a box trap, and then after looking at it I thought, I bet that could be changed and modified for a Deadfall type trap. I'll show you it all in a minute. I'll set it up, set it off, I'll show you the back of it, and then I'll describe it a bit more, then you'll see what I mean. But the actual trigger was from the back of a wooden box trap. So the actual trigger piece is like this. I hope you can see this. It's a cut off nail, and I've also got with it, on the end of it, is a piece of like toffee on it. You see it there, it's the end of a nail. Now what that does is that slots in a hole in this board. Now you've got this toggle tied onto the Deadfall. That goes over the top of the board. On the back of here there's another screw sticking out, and now this nail creates two little pins for the toggle to sit against. When the animal goes to get the bait, tries to pull it out, and the weight comes down. Now this one is slightly in. Now if you wanted the animal to go further in, what you'd have to do is put a couple of blocks of wood and get this main plank further back. This should go off. It's pulled out, and then down it comes. So you can see there that I've put the piece of wood and then the other piece of wood. I'll turn this round and you can see it better. But that is the trigger there, and you can see this one, when the bait is pulled, that one disappears and then the toggle is released up. I'll turn this round so you can see it. This is the back view. Now you can see it there more clearer. This one is the nail for the bait. This is just a screw holding it in. When that one gets pulled out, it releases this. Now if you have it set up how I've done it, so you've got your logs, a small block of wood, and then your plank, the trigger has to be short, because once the trigger is pulled out, if it's a long trigger, it will block the Deadfall from falling. So the options you do is you either make it a very short trigger, or you put a couple more blocks of wood and have your main plank further back, and either will work fine. And it's pretty sensitive as well, it goes off pretty easily. So yeah, pretty simple to make. Same as any Deadfall type log Deadfall setup. Couple of blocks at the bottom, plank, string going over, your one nail at the back or a screw, hole drilled. Pretty sensitive as well. Right, Cheers for watching, and I'll see you later.